Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oildale, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of reliable movers can ensure your long-distance move goes smoothly. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the USA. With us, you get all the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. Our experts handle all the needed moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. When you examine the major advantages you gain, the expense can be a lot easier to deal with. Any decent moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. Movers may also make sure you don't need to worry about injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our professional movers offer effectiveness with every move. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oildale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.